Hi guys, I hope you're doing great and amazing and welcome back to Moonlit Decode channel of ours. And yes, today's reading is all about mysteries. There are your like mysteries, ancestors, and moving forward from learning from the past. Okay, that's what I was visioning when I was doing my meditation, and I felt called to do the reading because there is something in it that is been told me to deliver. Okay, so yeah, let's see what exactly it is all about, and this will only reach the chosen one because honestly speaking, I really have prayed for it. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm sensing the whispering of the spirits. Okay, maybe like you are getting hints from the spider. If you see a spider somewhere or you're seeing spiders near you, then that is a huge confirmation that you are been chosen. Okay. Also, if you are disappointed that nothing worked out in your favor, then that is another kind of confirmation that I'm getting. Anything new to energies? Anything new? Okay, so the mistress have chosen you. Okay, if you can see with this card, so I really feel that you are being chosen. As you can see that um, the this person has chosen this cup, and this cup has a living being, which is you. Okay, for me it is like giving me this kind of intuitive messages that even in the chaos you are the answer. Okay, पता नहीं क्यों, but this is really like something is going on within you. I'm so sorry. I think uh, it's like this is English version of it, and still I had the Hindi version into it. It's like mixture of two things. Okay, like the air element with the water element, it's kind of that mixture. Okay, right now you're in those two energies, being emotional as well as very cloudy and foggy. Okay, from your mindset I can understand that. Okay, but in the even in the cures, divine angels are saying that you are the one chosen by them. Okay, for everything there is something that is being chosen to come out. Okay, in your life, you really need to work on it, I feel. And your ancestor, there is one ancestor that is actually helping you. Okay, and trying to help you to come out of all these things. It's like you're exploring the callings of your soul and new beginnings. Okay, I really feel, because that is something that I am getting for you, as well as there is this loving and powerful spirit, or ancestor, which is guiding you and trying to assist you in your in many times before. It has also uh, like it is sending you signs, synchronicities, dreams, gut intuitions. Okay, also they have even come briefly into your life through other people, so they seek to help you into a new phase. Okay, that is something that I'm getting. For some, like for rare of you, you are getting whispers. Okay, so that is something that I'm getting into. If you also see some lanterns, then that is also the one kind of a thing. Golden color is also something I'm getting. Suddenly the roots of the tree, okay, I don't know why, but I'm seeing this tree which is, untangle and kind of creating an opening for you, a deep portal which is swirling with magic and possibilities for you. So I really feel that the tree, okay, it is kind of feminine tree and she is like smiling, she already knows the answer, and so do you, okay, you also know the answers. But for that you have to stay grounded on who you are, okay. Because this energy that I'm getting, okay, for you guys, um I really feel that this is a soul longing and yearning. If you have felt a calling for something else, just listen to it, okay, because do not hold it back, because that is been chosen, okay. The mysteries are actually revealing itself in front of you, and you are its owner, and you will be very much curious about it, why everything is like this, okay, why everything is so weird. And like it will catch your attention in a first glance. That is something I'm getting. I will be taking that. Not so many. Like the mistress will come to you, but you will be like legit glancing upon it. Like in the first only sense, it will put you in a questioning format, very curious format kind of energies. Yes, and that's up to you, okay. Why I'm saying you, because of those mysteries, you will be getting judgment, you will be getting something that is been asked by you, okay, and you will be moving forward with it. Yes, divine angels are saying try to be very much receptive, because that's something that I'm getting from inside for you guys. So I really feel that you're completing something and you're moving forward in your life, okay. Like your ancestors are kind of whispering that you have carried many lifetimes of lessons, pain and wisdom. Now is the time to release the weight of the past. You're not being punished, or you're not being judged or something, but you're being prepared. So they are kind of urging you to forgive yourself and others as well, because even those who never apologized, okay, to them as well. The karmic loops that once bound you are losing right now. So every decisions you make now must come from truth rather than fear or guilt, okay. So that's something I'm getting. Maybe you're also praying, or someone is begging somewhere, um, that you should forgive them, okay. uh, because whatever, I don't know why I'm channeling this message, but whatever they did to you, they didn't want it to do to you, okay. They didn't want it to be like that with you, or treat you like that, or whatever they did wrong to you. They are not letting you know this, but actually deep down, when they are alone with the divine, they actually ask for your forgiveness, because you don't know the whole truth. That's something I'm also getting, okay. Also, this judgment call signals about spiritual awakening, so you may feel pulled towards a new path, as I said, okay, the curiosity and mysterious path, or suddenly realize that what your true calling is. So it's all about your soul calling. It's that inner voice saying that this isn't who you are meant to be. Rise higher, okay, rise higher, rise more stronger. Your intuition is being heightening, okay. You may hear, dream or sense guidance from your spirit guides more clearly now, as I mentioned earlier with this card. What I was getting, okay. So right now this card is also confirming that. And Some of you might even notice the signs like, white feathers, ringing bells, the number 2020 or a triple four or wings as well, all confirming that rebirth is underway, as well as the signs I said earlier. So I really feel that you really need to understand in for I don't know who, for whom this love guidance and related to love or connections it is. The ancestors are saying that some connections were karmic test, not lifelong ties for you. Okay, so if you have been stuck in a cycle of repeating heartbreaks or unfulfilled love, judgment card here is asking you, what lessons have you learned? Have you learned what the actual scenario that person was trying to make you feel or learn about yourself, about the whole reality, about the whole truth? Who do you need to forgive, including yourself? So that is, as I mentioned, that is something that I'm getting, that someone in your life has heartbroken you or something, one or the other, love or career, I don't know, but this energy is coming for like some reconciliation is also possible, but only if both souls are have awakened with that limiting boundaries. For others, maybe it's your destiny lies with someone aligned to your new frequency and a soulmate who vibrates with truth, peace, and purpose kind of things. For some of you in career and purpose, if I have to say, you are being called to something more meaningful, not just work that pays, but but work that matters also. If you have felt lost or even undervalued, this is a spiritual redirection for you guys with the judgment card here, with the page of cups. It's sign like elevate from your emotions, step into your divine assignment. Your voice, gifts, or creativity are meant to awaken others. It's just not you have to just see it, but you have to embrace it. You may soon be recognized or offered a new opportunity, or feel pulled towards teaching, healing, or spiritual services as well. For some of you, I really feel the shadow of judgment is self doubt and fear of failure you have. So your ancestors are also saying that, child, your spirit has risen from greater darkness than this. Don't hide from your destiny. Let go of the need to prove yourself every time. You have already passed the unseen test. You don't even realize that. Now your only duty is to answer the call. Answer this call. Answer this call. It's been haunting you. It's blowing your mind. Okay, for some of you I can say that you can do this ritual for which has been this message is given by your spirits, like light a white candle and say aloud that I release all karmic burdens that no longer serve my soul. I forgive, I rise, I remember who I am. Ancestors and guides walk with me as I awaken to my highest truth. Then sit in silence, okay? Notice the sensations, warmth or chill or light pressure. These are your signs from your spirit guides are near. Okay, judgment is your rebirth movement. Trust me, the mysterious chose you because your soul has reached a vibration where it can now guide others as well. So you are the bridge between realms, living proof that death of the old self is not the end but the new beginning. Rise, child of the dawn. Okay, your ancestors stand behind you, and the trumpet of destiny sounds your name. Okay, it's calling you more than usual that I'm getting. Let's see what more. What is this mysterious things for every one of you are? Like every story is not meant to be here by you. Okay, that's what divine angels are telling me. That every story is not meant for you to be listening or to be acknowledged. Only yours. You should be aware of your own story, and you need to reform it, restructure it, reframe it, because it's your story and you're the author. You can do anything, but you cannot do it for others. Okay, so yeah, take as it resonates from this video. Divine universe is saying, what more divine energies, what more? Okay, So I'm taking one by one card. Why? Because it's been asked and called for me to do so. Okay. So yeah, it's like taking one by one card and making all the senses. Okay. mm, so let's see what is this card kind of telling me, and I'm trying to feel it. It's kind of balance energies that I'm sensing that is coming. If there was like, if you were someone who were not having, if someone asked you, I don't know why, but this is very rare, so take as it resonates. If you were someone who were walking or passing by someone else, and that person wanted to eat something or asked for some grains from you, and you couldn't deliver it to them because you were very shortage of money at that time or something like that, divine universe is telling you now you can give openly. Okay. Maybe you have said to the universe, and while saying that your universe, the spirit guides, your ancestors heard that and felt very bad about it, so they are gifting you these things. Okay, that balance is there. Okay, by your ancestors and spirit allies, it reveals a very story of like awakening, karmic balance, and divine reward. Okay, so there are some layers, okay, from your ancestors that are been asked. Okay, they are kind of saying that you have been seen, heard, and tested. Okay, they are always there with you. The choices you make now echo beyond this lifetime. So remember that thing. They have been observing your growth through periods of self doubt and silence. Now they are like stepping forward because you are ready to answer the higher call, a spiritual awakening that goes beyond, material goals. You're being called to step into purpose and to share your light or wisdom in service for to others. Okay, that is something I'm getting as well. Okay, as well as like I'm feeling that if you are not balanced in your chakras, okay, self alignment, then it will be happening. Drink more water because legit I'm so thirsty right now that I cannot even speak further. I have to cut myself and drink water first, and then, whereas I already had drank a lot of water, and still I feel like dehydrated, humidity. Maybe your body's heat is also there, and your elements are not that much balanced. So that is also coming to me. Okay, um, I feel that the call of the heart is here. Your ancestors are like beginning with this gentle, intuitive messenger kind of thing. Okay, and this is the thing that your heart is opening again. Okay, if your heart was blocked, it is opening again. It is flourishing. You might have been feeling more sensitive lately, also. So, catching subtle signs, dreams, and synchronicities or emotional waves without clear reason. Um, your inner child resurfacing with creativity and psychic awareness is also I can feel, and your guides are urging you to listen deeply to the whispers of your emotions. Don't rationalize them away. Okay, because the page with these cards brings messages in soft symbolic forms, whereas feathers, songs, certain ideas, a line in a movie that feels just for you, or a movie which is actually orchestrated, like some events like based on your life as well. So that is something I'm getting. These are not coincidences, they are the language of spirits. Okay, like something that is connect, you will be like seeing any video or movie that has some core memories of your childhood. Okay, that is coming into fruitions, because yesterday I went through for a movie with my family, and my neighbors and so on. But in that movie I was having this one core memory which was all about the god, and it was related to this core memory of my childhood, where I used to be like, I have seen that thing. So I suddenly got that remembrance that how I used to be like very fearful about it, and I never got the exact reality. In fact, that time that thing was God, and it was I used to see as like demonic. So that is a very shift of perspective. The real shift which is actually happening and giving you that you were so wrong about a person, or you were so wrong about your own self, that is coming into light in lightened mode. Okay, that is I'm getting. Also, your intuition is not a fantasy. It's your ancestor blood remembering its power. Okay, so this mysteries is all about this, that your this that the hidden aspects of your life that you took wrong about everything. You can also take this mysteries as wrong first, and then you will get the intuitive messages that it's not that what you are saying about. Okay, so the guidance for you, if for something is, your guidance is just calling like journal your dreams, paint, write, sing, or create. Spirit messages flow through your creativity right now, that's I'm picking up. Okay, you are being guided to release old karmic patterns also, both from this life and generational ones. We like your ancestors are saying like we have walked through fire so that you may rise in freedom. Do not repeat the stories of pain and like transform them. Rise above it. Okay, judgment often appears when your soul is ready for its next evolution, but there's still guilt, fear, or self-doubt clinging from the past that I can see and sense here. Okay, you're being asked to also forgive yourself and possibly someone from your bloodline, as I said earlier, also to break this cycle completely. So that is your confirmation. Messages I'm like getting from this is, answer the call, answer the call. You're being reborn into higher service. Your light will help more than you know. Okay, so spend time in stillness or ancestral meditations. Okay, do that thing, because that something is very important. And with the six of pentacles here, with this alignment is talking about your karmic exchange and divine reciprocity, that I'm getting. Okay, because maybe you guys are like, um, not understanding the fact that now the spirits are like the about the balance. Okay, so now the spirits are reminding you about the balance, the sacred flow of giving and receiving. Maybe you're too much giver, or you're too much receiver. So you know where you fit in. Okay, so they are showing you that what you share energetically, emotionally, financially will soon return to you multiplied, and that is your confirmation. You may be stepping into also, into a season where help arrives, or you become the one who uplifts others through wisdom or resources. So this card here is also gentle reminder that energy must be exchanged. Okay, if you are not getting the appropriate energy exchange, then stop doing it. Don't pour into others who never refill your cup. Your ancestors are saying that you are not meant to be drained. In the name of love, generosity must flow both ways. Okay, you shouldn't drain yourself in order to give and make others feel good, or take negotiate a validation or something. Okay, abundance is your birthright. Learn the art of equal exchange, not charity but harmony. So expect blessings, or opportunities, and even unexpected gifts from the universe from this point of view. Okay, from this point. Okay, because as you give from authenticity, you will receive divine compensation also. So child of our blood will walk beside you. Your sensitivity is sacred, not weakness. Just know that. Divine Universe is saying that. Let go of the guilt of your past selves. Rise into the balanced healer you were born to be. What you create now carries our blessings and will ripple across generations. So work on it. And everything is restoring with the balance, and everything is coming into the fruitations. Whereas you cannot see it right now, because I really feel that you don't understand that the star, the light is you, not somewhere else. So how can you will see yourself unless and until you don't come into one section of your own self? So yes, the S of Swords, there are a huge communication blockage that you were having. Okay, so I really feel that those communication blockers will come to the end. Okay, as well as I'm feeling that this is the moment you have reached to clarity after confusion. The fog which you were having and holding within you is uplifting, and they are handing you the sword of divine truth, a tool of protection, insight, and liberation. Okay, to move forward. So it's kind of saying that we cut through illusions with you now. No more half truths or no more self doubt. You're ready to see with clear eyes and speak with a clear voice. So yes, that is divine blessing that you will be receiving right after this video. It will be getting activated. So definitely claim the energies, okay guys, because the Ace of Swords is all talking about the beginning of mental mastery and divine communication. You will be only communicating with the divine, and divine will be communicating with you directly. Okay, your ancestors are sharpening your intuitions and intellect at the same time, so you may soon receive an inspired idea or realization that changes your direction. Okay, or you may be, feel guided to speak your truth, even if it shakes old foundations. Experiences or breakthroughs in communication, contracts, or spiritual understandings can be expected. Also, they are saying that this is your aha moment. Your crown chakra is opening. Your mind is being aligned with divine will. You are meant to be a truth beginner, not a peacekeeper at the cost of your own voice. So the sword here cuts away illusions, lies, and karmic cords. The crown here is talking about the blade, it is on the blade, which is talking about victory through higher awareness. And the clouds here is talking about clouds parting, is talking about perception is clearing. Your perception is clearing and truth is emerging from those confusions that you were having. Okay, your guides are empowering your words and thoughts. Manifestation now flows through mental focus and verbal intentions. So they say that your words are spells. Speak consciously, speak as one who commands light, not the darkness. Okay, it's also reminded that clarity can sting before it liberates. Okay, the truth you uncover may not be comfortable, divine universe is saying, but it will set you free from your emotional entanglement, or the deceptive situations. So just open your intuitive heart, just say hi to your soul awakening, bring balance to your giving and receiving kind of stuff, and have some mental clarity, and you will see you're no longer who you were. The storm has already cleared. Wield your words with purpose and with good intentions and positive aspects. They carry ancestral power. So speak truth and the path will open for you guys. So remember that one thing. And if you definitely resonated with this, then definitely do like, subscribe, and claim the energies writing the into the comment section, because give and take is actually what you will be given the goods and blessings about. Okay, bye.